Hello, friends. Welcome to Agent Dooky Travel Channel. I'm Lucia and I love exploring new places. Here you'll see sunny beaches, hidden caves, busy markets, and fun adventures. I'll share easy tips and beautiful views. Subscribe now and join me every week for a new trip. Let's explore together.